I hope you had a great weekend and are all rested up for the final sprint to the finish line. Make these days count, really, seriously. And when you work, mean it. All right, so this says 5,000 Pixel Textures Part 2 coming soon. Now I've got a couple images here. This gallery will grow, and this link right now leads to Part 1. And the reason it does that is I want to encourage you, if you haven't done so already, to partake in this set of videos because it's about creative discovery and some workflow. I have improved on that workflow. Part 2, if you notice the time, I'm going to try to get back to sleep after these videos. This is normally when I start recording. I've been up way too long. But I'm pretty darn excited about where this went because this has evolved from what I was doing over the weekend. And now I'm pretty excited because we're going to be able to use layer comps and a naming convention that will allow us to know from the file itself, excuse me, what settings we used. And just a little preview, if you look, don't pay any attention to the stuff on the outside. The one ABC, 2 A through E, and on. This idea will most likely evolve further, but this is light years ahead of where we were. And these levels, I've kind of played around with the math and come up with different ways to set up these presets so that we have a good starting point, as in the distribution of lights and darks. And I will share more of this in those tutorials. But if you're a go-getter, you might look at this and think about what I did based on those clues and try that yourself. It's up to you. But today, make it count. And for those of you, the 15-week grades are in. Holy moly, seriously? Some of you are doing your work and you haven't come up and asked for a raise. I didn't raise your grade, and I will not. You need to come see me and advocate for yourself. And if you're at the other end of the spectrum, you need to work with intent. You need to make this count. Make it count, huh? Finish strong. Be proud of what you did.